Okay, so it's so cold that there's frost on inside of our windows.
But not somehow outside.
Like,
I'm guessing it's the condensation from the heat.
Like, I don't understand. Yeah, probably. Yeah, this is it. This is how fucking cold it is. Yeah, the wind knocked off my camera case.
What?
I feel like the weather is just trying to beat me for lunch money. According to this guy, we're underdressed.
No, we're overdressed.
Overdressed. I don't. Apparently.
MAGFest isn't exactly known for it.
Apparently, looking somewhat nice is bad. Well, not bad, but even the guy, our servers were just like, "Oh, you obviously aren't at the convention." I'm like,
My badge says otherwise.
I have a badge.
Oh wait.
We're already here.
Apparently, yeah, I'm the asshole who's crossing the street and looked up at the camera and nearly got hit by a car.
Nah, that car was slow though. If he hit us, that means he's going in. What?
But yeah, apparently we're overdressed for less than 20-degree weather.
Because we look too fancy.
Yeah.
So fancy.
I put this camera away, it's cold. Yeah, some crazy chick tried to block me from using the restroom.
Right, there's a lot of confusion going on.
I don't know what's going on. Here, do you mind corresponding what happened?
Actually telling it? Some drunk lady tried to block you out of the bathroom and then locked it. As a bunch of dudes were like, what's going on? And then we looked at each other. Are we in the wrong here? She seemed very confident that she was in the correct bathroom.
Alcohol is a confidence booster.
I think the weird part was that she tried to lock it, but then she couldn't lock it. That was the first key that she was throwing. Was that she was just like, and then she turned around. She was like, oh, fuck it, and then just left into the bathroom. And we're like, I'm not gonna ask you the questions, so let's just roll.
Interesting.
Trey just felt a little. I think
Trey, you keep getting into these situations with these really weird people. Remember yesterday the guy at the bar?
Yeah, this is like my with drunk people. I can find this out like what if she was trans and then she was using the restroom. Yeah, that's why I thought like, oh my god, did I just offend someone?
No, I think she was just drunk.
Yeah, I was like,
I think it was like, even if she was, why did she lock you up from your correct bathroom?
I don't know. I never know. At this game show called MAGFest versus. I didn't zoom in, but yeah, I'm here with these two. This one won't look at the camera. There's that one.
Hopefully I get picked. I hope I get picked.
Maybe he will get picked.
I have no discernible.
We won't know.
But that was a choice.
You guys want to sit in this one?
Well, he's naive and hopeful, and
I know
she
myself.
doesn't have any skills, and I'm perfect. Okay, so Friday, approximately 10:28 p.m. And we don't know whether to call it the early night or to find something else to do until then. This one's tired, that one's tired, no one else is tired. I'm kind of tired.
I'm tired.
You guys want to go see Powerball? I'm already Powerball. Powerball's very famous.
Where's their chair? I don't care.
It's a concert. It's like a Boston concert.
Oh. I mean,
Pose.
is it in pose?
So is that the plan? That's the plan, folks.
Choices.